Okay, following up on the ant assassination, day 5, but I didn't do anything for day 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. It's all a blur. You can see they're moving on. I need to find the right stick. That was a problem. Please hold. Alright, in we go. It's probably going to be pretty quiet over there. There's a random soldier. Not anymore. Had a snake not that long ago. Like yesterday, so. Eep-a-doop-a-doo-doo. Eee, attack! Ah, there they are. Yeah, they'll get on that stick. Gotta watch it. Ah! Oh my goodness. I'm being serious here. Oh. Eek! Ah! Oh my god. Now, a crow or a blue jay can get into this ant debacle. They do what's called anting. It's the weirdest thing ever. But, I don't know, Kylie is off doing important crow business. Cheers!